Hello friends, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Today we're going to be making a completely vegan, dairy-free, eggless, and gluten-free baked New York style cheesecake. This cheesecake is so creamy, lush, and soft you'd never know it's vegan. Let's make this. To start, you'll need to line an 8-inch springform pan with parchment paper and lightly grease it. Then we'll make the crust. The crust is just oats, coconut oil, or vegan butter, and softened dates. Please keep in mind that the full recipe with ingredient measurements is found down below, linked in the description box. You'll pulse the oats until they reach a fine flour, then add in the remaining ingredients. The crust will be a thick and sticky dough, which you'll then press into your springform pan. You can press the dough up the walls to create a rustic crust, or you can leave it as is. Once you've pressed the dough into the pan, we'll bake the crust in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until it's slightly golden. Then set the crust aside and we'll make the cheesecake filling. For the cheesecake filling, I can't stress enough how important it is to use a high-quality vegan cream cheese. I recommend BioLife as the best vegan cream cheese. It's nut-free and soy-free, and I kid you not, tastes nearly identical to regular cream cheese. You'll also need a good vegan sour cream or dairy-free yogurt. The sour cream I use is by Forager Project and it's cashew-based. You can also use an oat milk or coconut milk-based yogurt. Then add in the remaining ingredients, including arrowroot starch, vanilla, and maple syrup. Pulse everything together until smooth and creamy, and then pour the filling into your springform pan. Now it's time to make the water bath. This is a crucial step to make sure your vegan cheesecake is super soft and creamy and not dried out. You'll need to wrap the bottom of the springform pan in tinfoil and add boiling water to a deep set pan. Then place the pan with the cheesecake into the oven to bake for about an hour. After the cheesecake starts to form a crust on the top of it, you will turn off the oven and allow the cheesecake to rest for another hour, then transfer it to the freezer to fully set. You'll notice that the cheesecake is super wobbly. This is totally normal and expected. The top of the cheesecake will also lighten as it starts to set. I like to set my cheesecake in the freezer for about 4 hours and then serve. You can also set the cheesecake in the fridge overnight. The texture is just so creamy and smooth, you're going to love it. I top the cheesecake with amareno cherries and fresh coconut whipped cream. I cannot wait to hear how your vegan cheesecakes come out. Find the full recipe in the description box below, and be sure to subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you on the next one, and happy baking!